How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF file. In this video, I will show you how can you easily save any conversation with ChatGPT as a PDF file. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, open ChatGPT in your web browser. As you can see, I have already searched something in ChatGPT. So if I want to save this as PDF file, all I need to do is click Ctrl plus P together and it will show me a dialog box of print. Here you need to choose the option of destination to save as PDF and then the option of print will be changed to save and you will easily be able to save this conversation as a PDF file. So that's all. That is how easily you can save any conversation with ChatGPT as a normal PDF file. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.